Okay, so how do you download a TikTok video onto the iPhone without the watermark? How can you go ahead and do that? So I'm going to show you this updated version for 2023. At first, you have to make sure that you have the TikTok app downloaded and installed on your iPhone. So you can, of course, go ahead and follow Foxtag if you want to, but the process begins in here. So you locate a video which you like and you go into here. That's okay. I'm going to pause the video and everything, but I already have the option to share or copy the link, which already appeared at the top. But if not, that's okay. Just click on the three dots right here at the bottom and click on copy link. So click on copy link. It's being copied. Now I can exit the TikTok app without any problems. And what I want to go to is another third-party app called Documents. This is what it looks like, and if you don't have it on your iPhone, which by default you do not have it, you have to go to the App Store and download the Documents app. This is what it looks like. It used to be called Documents 5 or something, but you have to open it up. Anyways, you get to this section where you can browse your own files and the stuff that you have in here, and at the bottom you can go through your files, your recents, the photos, VPN, and browser. But I want you to click on browser. This will move you over to, let's say, Google, and I'm just gonna look up the TikTok video downloader. It doesn't necessarily matter which one of these many you download and or use. For example, you can go with the first one, but I have a good experience with this third one right here with this purple logo. So I'm gonna click on that. And all I have to do is just to paste the link which I copied from my TikTok. So I'm going to click on paste and hit download. So the video is converting. We're going to have to wait a bit. And right now we have the option to download the video without watermark with within high definition, or download the app from the App Store, which is going to do it, I guess, or download just the sound. So I'm just going to click on download without watermark and in HD. So here is an ad. I'll wait for it and I'll get to the download page. So I'm just gonna delete the name like this, and let's say it's just gonna be a TikTok video like this. It's gonna be saved to my files inbox. So I'm just gonna put it, I don't know, to my scans or whatever. Hit back and tap done. Now the video is being downloaded right here, so you can see that the video is actually 37 megabytes large, so I can click on that and watch as it's being downloaded right here and watch the percentage. But once the video is going to become downloaded, it's going to be saved on my device. I can watch it without watermark, and that's how you can definitely just download videos from TikTok without watermarks. I'm going to wait to actually show you what it looks like. But before the video actually just downloads itself completely, I need to show you this, which is the Foxtag educational platform. You can join it for free. It's going to be linked down below in the description. And inside you can find video editing courses for social media. Then you have in-depth iPhone guides and community as well. So definitely something to check out. The link is going to be down below in the description. And by the time I said that, the video is already downloaded. And when I play it, you can see that literally no watermark is part of it. So this is the content that I put out on a TikTok or other social media. So you can follow me here or on Instagram or wherever you like. So this is something to know about. But if you want to save it to the gallery of your iPhone and have it within the Documents app, you can just hold down on it or click on the three dots at the bottom. And now you can move it over to the different location within your iPhone, so it can be put to photos. So it has to access photos and everything. So I'm just gonna hit move, and now the photo is gonna be, or the video is gonna appear inside of my Photos app right here. So it is right saved where I wanted it. So that's how you can download TikTok videos on iPhone without the watermark. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. If you found it useful, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to Foxtag, and I will see you in the next video.